Always wanted to dance merengue, but don't know where to start? This video is perfect for absolute beginners. Today, you will learn 5 super simple merengue steps that will have you moving to the beat in no time. We're going to break everything down step by step. Whether you want to dance at a party or just enjoy the rhythm, you will be dancing today. Welcome to Dancing with Gali. I'm Gali Tsine, your dance teacher, and I'm here to help you unlocking the dancer in you. Okay, let's start with the first step and the most essential one. Step in place. We're going to step in our place to do this hip movement, and for that, we're gonna use our knees. So first of all, we need to keep our knees bent a little bit, slightly bent, and we're gonna change our weight. We're gonna be shifting our weight from one hip to the other one. So bend your knee, then you see how my hip drops. After we're gonna step in place and my hip is changing weight, then the other leg is bending the knee. Okay, let's do it again. So step, step, and drop. Then change your weight and bend the other one. Then we're gonna repeat the same thing with the other leg. So I'm bending, my hip is dropped, and then I'm gonna step and shift my weight to the leg that just stepped. Okay? So again, I'm gonna repeat the same movement, and I'm shifting my hip. I'm shifting my hip to the side that just stepped. Okay? So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So let's try it one by one, slow motion. Okay? So step and drop the hip, step, drop the hip. You see, I'm dropping my hip while I'm bending my knee. Then I go to the side. Okay? Now, important thing, if you have your hip going forward and this is your position, then it's gonna be really hard to move your hip. You see, this is difficult. But if I'm right into the center with my knees slightly bent, then it's really easier to move our hip. Look, pop, pop, You see how it changed? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is really stiff. We don't need stiffness in our hip. We need to be relaxed. So, that being said, then we're gonna keep doing 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? Let's try it with the beat. Marked. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step in place in each count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now enjoy. Just a step in place. It's easy. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Stop. Perfect. Now let's go to step number 2. Now you can see that we are kind of marching in our place, right? But now we're gonna use one leg and we're gonna move forward, but the other one is gonna step in the same place, okay? So let's try it with the right leg. We're gonna go forward, we're gonna step in place, and it's gonna keep the same motion, bending our knees and dropping the hip. So bend and change, and now we're gonna go back. So we're gonna step forward, and with the same leg, we're gonna step back, back, and this is gonna keep the same X, the same X. So step in place, move forward, step in place, move back, step in place, move forward, step in place, move back. Okay? 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Ready? Let's do it again with this angle. So, right leg forward, forward, the left leg is stepping in place, and then I step back with the right leg. Right, left, right, left. The only one is moving is the right leg in this moment. The other one, look, I'm not even lifting my foot. It's just there. So, 1 and 1, 1 and one, and it's like a vaivén. So rock and rock and rock and rock. Now let's try it with the other leg, okay? So same thing, but now we're using the left leg. So one forward, then the right step in place, and then the left go back. So same thing. You shift your weight to one leg to the other one, and you drop the knee so you can move it. Forward, step in place, back, step in place. Forward and back, and let's do it faster. Forward and back, and forward and back, and forward and back. Perfect. Let's do it with a beat. Okay, find the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward and back. Right, left, forward and back, and forward and back. Let's change our leg. Now with the left. 5, 6, 7, and forward and back, and forward and back. Okay, enjoy the music. Come on. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Stop. Perfect. Okay, step number 3. Okay, now let's add some trouble to your merengue. We're gonna walk forward, and we're gonna keep the march that we already learned, but moving with each step forward. So let's start right and left and right and left. Let's come back. If you don't have a space, you can move back so you have enough space to walk. Let's just try that. So right, left, right, left, right, left. If you feel kind of awkward with your hip, remember to relax a little bit your knees and your hip. Try to keep it to the center, a little bit to the back, so you can give freedom to your hips, okay? So let's try it again, and we're gonna step with our right leg. 1, 2, 3, and right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Perfect. Now, if you can walk forward, we can go backwards, right? So let's start little by little. 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. So now we're gonna do 4 steps forward and 4 steps back. Just like that. So we're gonna be going back and forward. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, left. And then we're gonna go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 4 steps. Okay, again. Right, left, right. Left, right. Left, right, left. A little bit faster. Right, left, right. Left, right. Left, right, left. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it with the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's step in place. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward and back. 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Number 4. Now, for the step number 4, we're gonna go back and forward, but it's gonna be tinier and it's gonna be more dynamic, okay? So we're gonna do only 1 and together, and 1 and together. That's it. Really simple, but it's gonna be faster, of course. So, step forward. Remember to drop your hip so the other one can move a little bit to the side or back or up. And then shift your weight, shift your hip, and then you step. And then you come together. You go forward to meet the other leg, the other foot. So, back, and then come to the center, neutral position. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps. 2 forward, 2 to the back. And we are marching the same leg that is going forward. 1, 2 is the same leg that is going to the back. 1, 2. So right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Enjoy it. And let's do it to the beat. Are you ready? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, and step in place. Always the first step. Ready? 5, 6, and forward, forward, and back. Forward and back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Forward, close, back, close. Forward, close, back, close. Forward and back. Forward and back. Enjoy the music. Woohoo! Perfect. That was simple, right? And it's really enjoyable. I love merengue. Let's continue with the step number 5. So now we're gonna spice up our merengue with a turn. Yeah! Yes. So we are marching in our place with our basic step, right? Right, left, right, left. Now we're gonna make a turn and we're gonna keep the same march in our spot, but we're gonna be turning little by little with tiny steps. Tiny steps. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So if you're struggling a little bit, just remember, one should go a little bit forward and the other one kind of comes together, but it's still turning. So you go forward and kind of back, forward and back, forward and back. Or forward and close, forward and close, forward and together, forward and together, forward and together, forward and together. What I mean with together, if I'm here, I'm going 1, and then I come to neutral position with our legs. Let's do it in 8 tempos, okay? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. We can make it longer if we want to. You can feel free with merengue. That's the cool part of it. So you can do it in 4 tempos, you can do it in 8 tempos, you can do it, I don't know, in 10, 16, whatever. You can let the music guide you. Let's do to the other side. Let's keep doing the same leg so you can see the other side. So we do 1, this steps in place, and the other one goes forward. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Are you ready? Let's try with the music. Okay, step in place. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and remember, relax your hip so you can move and turn around. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, we're in the center again, and face to the other side. 1, 2, and then we face again to the front. One more time, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it! Perfect! Now I think you're ready to get down to business. Let's practice with music. Are you ready?
Next level.
But first, please, if you're enjoying this video and these steps, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the videos. Let's do it. Let's find the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right, left. Ready? Next step, number 2, forward and back. Forward and back. Forward and back. Step in place with this one, and just this one is moving. Relax your hip. Come on. Other leg. And 1, 2. 1, 2. Yes, enjoy it. Okay, let's change the legs again. right, left, right, left. Ready? First step, 5, 6, walk forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward and back. Forward, 2, 3, 4. Back, 2, 3, 4. Forward and step in place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Number 4. 5, 2, 2 steps. 1, 2, 1, 2. Forward and back. And forward, close, back, close. Forward, close, back, close. Forward and back. And forward and back. And right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Change your leg. You're just marching. Good. Step in place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Ready? For the turn, just turn. Doesn't matter if it's fast or slower, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn. 1, 2, yes. Enjoy the music. Okay, ready? Other side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, yes. Other side again. Come on, enjoy it. You're already dancing merengue. Other side. Woohoo! Perfect! Woohoo! Great job! And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed these 5 steps that I bring you. Please let me know in the comments which was your favorite. If you want to know more turns to dance merengue, head over to this video. And don't miss the rest of the merengue series if you want to keep dancing merengue. I love merengue. Did you love it? Thanks for dancing with me. See you in the next one.